Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've done the best I can. I still got a vacuum leak on cylinder 7. I'm going to go ahead and show you idling. And I changed throttle bodies and I've been working most of the day on it. And it seems like everything I do is wrong. I finally have it idling steady. I'm going to show you the engine and inside the compartment. Still doing that surging out the exhaust a little bit. Got a little bit rough idle, just a little bit. Now I got the GPS sensor ohmed out to 0.97, which in my opinion that'll work. I'm doing a idle reset now to turn that off. So I think once I get the vacuum leak on injector 7 figured out, it's going to drive a lot smoother and the check engine light's going to come off. I have a P0998 and a P0118, which means coolant temperature out of range, high signal or whatever. So this is where I'm at, and I'm going to have to keep working it. My next step after I get the injector sealed up on cylinder 7 is do a compression check on the motor and see if the motor's good, because the original owner said it had 200 miles on it in the original ad, and I have to determine that. So as always guys, like, subscribe, and share, and keep on dreaming.